The UNIC project is one of the 48 European alliance that are within the Erasmus Plus program. So we are a consortium of 8 universities. These universities are located in cities that have a strong post-industrial past. And so we are very much committed to enforce the inclusion of all the citizens in the universities. We also want to boost the mobility, a seamless mobility. We want to be inclusive. We want to have a general academic platform with these universities. That's what's really at the core of this project. We had panels of discussion, we had different work packages to be discussed. So for instance, we had a magnificent panel on how to be resilient in cities after some natural disasters. And of course, we have in mind what happened in Liège in mid-July, but also in Germany, very far from here, and also in Zagreb, in Croatia. That was a theme that was brought about by our partners in Zagreb. We had also a discussion about students in exile. That was also very fantastic. We were very much happy to host all the delegates, and especially the students. There had maybe 120 students coming from all these universities, and it was very great. We want to have the students on board. It's done for the students, of course, but with the student and by the students to a certain extent.